Okay, so this is a quick demonstration of using Piezo and Skype to record calls. I'm going to go ahead and launch Skype. Obviously, you need to find a quiet environment to do these recordings in. You should have headphones on and an external microphone because the microphone built into your laptop isn't going to provide the kind of quality you want for this sort of recording. You also want to disable any bandwidth hogging applications like a cloud backup service or something that's going to do a lot of downloading in the background because you want to make sure the maximum bandwidth is available for the call recording. So I'm just going to log into Skype here. And once I've got Skype open, the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Skype menu and choose Preferences. And then I'm going to go to Audio Video. So you can see there I am. Hello. And basically, we want to make sure that our microphone is correctly selected. So you can see here, if you had a USB microphone plugged in, you would see that listed, and you would select that. I'm using the Avid Fast Track Solo as my audio interface, so I'm going to choose that. But you would choose your USB microphone in that list otherwise. Automatically adjust microphone settings. You want to leave that checked or check it if it's not checked. That's just going to make sure our recording levels are where we want them to be in Skype. And then speakers is the other thing you want to be aware of. Depending on if you're using a USB headset system, you might choose that as your listening device. In this case, I'm just going to choose built-in output headphones because I'm wearing headphones that are plugged into the laptop. So I can go ahead and close that. Now, what I want to do is launch Piezo. So here's Piezo. When you first open it, it's going to default to the source being built-in microphone. And we want to record the audio from Skype. You can see that my meters are bouncing here, even though I've got built-in microphone selected, but we want to make sure we record from both sides, so we're going to choose Skype. Piezo's just prompted me to quit and relaunch Skype, and it'll do this for me, and that's fine. That's a normal part of the process, so I'm going to click quit and relaunch. And I'm in. And sometimes it's good to just double check those preferences after it relaunches. Yeah, so everything's still good on that. So now I'm going to click on this little gear icon. And this is my recording settings in Piezo. And I can choose a name for the recording. So I'm just going to say test recording. And then down here you can see music, high quality. This is the quality menu. There is a spoken word option. That's actually a lower quality recording. So we actually want the highest quality possible. So we're going to choose music high quality. So music high quality, name the recording, done. And then I can hit record, and it's my meters light up. They're not bouncing. That's okay. It's waiting for the input from Skype. And so since I don't have a Skype call going right now, those meters aren't bouncing. Still have source Skype selected, and you can see there's a counter here. It's all zeros. The recording hasn't started yet. It's going to start when I start my call. So back over in Skype here, I like to use this Skype call testing center, I think it's called, to test my setup before each interview because little settings can change, and it's always good to double check that you've got everything as it should be. You can find this Skype call testing center by searching for the username Echo123. That's ECHO123, the numbers 123, all one word. And then you can add that to your favorites, and I use it quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and start the call.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
So you can see this side is the Skype side, and that was bouncing when the Skype system was talking to me. And this is my side, so you can see. So I'm going to end that call. And you can see the meter here was running during my call. I just made a 32-second call, so it stopped. Basically, you want to make sure these 2 meters are bouncing during your call, and that this counter is counting during the call. So you just want to hit the red button again to end the recording. Basically, then you can click this little magnifying glass, and that'll show you where your recording is on your system. And I can double click it and hear it. And when you listen back to it, it'll be playing one voice in one ear and one voice in the other ear, and that's fine. Those will get fixed in post-production. And that's it.